Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. In this video, you're going to see comparison between three powerful tools. One is called Power BI, Power Business Intelligence. Another one is Minitab. Another one is Excel. Right. So in this one, I have picked up Pareto topic. In the Pareto specifically, this is part 2, and let's see the Pareto how we can create the Pareto chart using these three tools. Let's see in Power BI. This is the output of Power BI. These two are the chart which is done up from Power BI, and let's see what is the output. So I'm just zooming a bit. So this is called ribbon chart. So we have a secondary reason called laptop power package, power cable. So it gives beautifully. For example, in laptop, scratch on display, crack on keyboard, keyboard function not keyboard function, key missings and all that. And then label this is not working. So all these, this is given on the package side. So all this is, this group the data, and it is categories. All the data has been grouped by the categories. So let's see in Power BI, let's see the next chart, very beautiful chart called decomposition. Let's see how it goes. So let's say the overall issues are, it gives a bigger picture first, 95. Out of it, it gives a breakdown, 76 followed by 13, followed by 5, followed by 1. And then laptop issues, when you click down, it gives a further breakdown. 19 issues are there. And then if you wanted to know secondary cause, again, you will be able to know, for example, scratch on display and so on. So this is called very, very interesting chart. So these two charts were Power BI. Let's see what we can see in Minitab. So Minitab, very fast tool, and default even just 3 column. One column is called the issues. Another column is called quantity. Another column is called secondary issues. When you give it, automatically within few seconds, maybe less than 10 seconds, it drawn up the chart, right? So here we don't need to do much of declaration and all that, and much of creations of dynamics and all that. So this is how the default Pareto chart it comes out. And then the same thing by secondary cause, for example, laptop, what are the different issues we have, and so on. So you will be able to create the same thing in this is the primary cause, this is secondary. By variables, you can keep adding the charts as per your requirement, right? Let's see what it gives in Excel. Excel is a normal version. And Excel, the one thing about Excel is user friendly. At the same time, you have to create everything on your own. For example, let's say you have quantity. That quantity you need to convert into individual percentage or the cumulative percentage. You have to create everything and then go and pick up the graphs, right? So, but these other two tools, Power BI or Minitab, it has default. All you need to do is you need to select it. The calculations and any analytics can be done within the tool. But here we have to create the formula and all that. That's the one major difference between Excel versus Power BI and Minitab. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making in detail video explaining how to do with the hands-on experience, how to do in Power BI, how to do in Minitab and Excel. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.